In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace AI. Whether you're creating a personal blog, an online portfolio, or a business website, Squarespace's AI can simplify your journey and save you loads of time. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Squarespace's URL. If you're on your desktop or even using a mobile device, the interface should be quite user-friendly and straightforward. Once the web page loads, find the Get Started button, usually prominent on the home page. Go ahead and click on it. This is your first step towards creating your dream website with the help of AI. Now, Squarespace will prompt you with a series of questions to better understand your needs and preferences. This is crucial because your answers to these prompts will guide the AI in crafting a website tailored just for you. It might ask about the type of website you want to create, like whether it's for selling products, sharing a portfolio, or promoting a business. Don't rush through these. Take your time to respond honestly, as your input sets the foundation for the AI's suggestions. After completing the prompts, you'll be presented with an exciting option to create a template with the help of AI. Select this option to benefit from Squarespace's intelligent design capabilities. The AI will use your answers to those earlier questions to suggest a layout and style that fit your vision. It's like having a digital design assistant right at your fingertips. This step is where the magic happens as your feedback is transformed into a website structure. Once Squarespace has completed the initial setup, a new site will be created. It's a great start, but the journey doesn't end here. You'll want to personalize this template to truly make it your own. Find and click on Edit Site to enter the customization phase. Here, you can tweak fonts, colors, rearrange sections, and add unique content that speaks to your brand or personal style. Exploring the various options can be an enjoyable, creative process, allowing you to infuse your personality into the design. Remember, as you make edits and adjustments to your site, it's important to save your progress. Clicking on Save regularly ensures none of your hard work gets lost. It's easy to overlook this step, especially when you're deep in creative flow, but it's essential for preserving the changes you've painstakingly crafted. Following these steps will help you harness the potential of Squarespace's AI, transforming the website creation process into a smooth and efficient experience. So, get creative, have fun, and watch as your vision comes to life with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.